Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a flamingo. Similar to our ostrich video, let's start on the head and neck with a big question mark shape that turns up at the bottom like so. From this end, align the curves up and over for the back. And from the top end, align the curves out and down with a sharp turn up, curving back with a small bump underneath for the chin. From there, curve down along the long neck and then turn towards the body. Over here, draw 3 swoops for the wing feathers, with 1 long swoop at the end for the tail feather. And from the bottom of the neck, a line curving under to the right for the belly. Underneath the wing, draw 2 curved lines angling inward like so for the top of the leg. And to the right of that, continue the belly line over, turning into a few swoops for more tail feathers. From the opening here, draw 2 long lines coming down at an angle, with a big bump on the back for the knobby knee joint. And 2 more lines angling down towards the front. With 3 toes at the bottom to finish off our first leg. Next, draw the same shapes for the other leg, but make this one stand straight. Did you know that flamingos stand on one leg to let the other one rest? They also sometimes tuck it into their feathers to keep it warm. That's looking like a fantastic flamingo so far. Let's add a few final touches to finish it off. First, a short line coming down from the beak here, a big circle here with a smaller colored in circle for the eye, a line underneath it to close out the beak shape, and finally, color in the tip of the beak like so. Next, add a few thin lines across the top of the wings to give it some more shape. A few thin swoops across the wing for some feathers, and a few thin lines across the legs for the wrinkly texture. And now you've got a flamingo! If you have any requests or suggestions, please let us know in the comments below. And check out these videos for more.